What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at the MPOW H5. These have active noise cancellation. They're running off of Bluetooth 4.1, which will get you about 33 feet or about 10 meters. Real quick, I totally forgot to mention in the beginning of this video that I'm gonna be giving these away. I'm gonna be doing something a little different than I've done in the past, so stick around to the end of the video and I'll explain what we're gonna do. Back to me. They have dual 44mm drivers. They're saying that it has superior deep bass. We've heard that before. I'm hoping that's the case and they're not just saying that. It has a 300 milliamp hour battery. You get about 18 hours of playtime off of 2 hours of charge, which is pretty decent. And it has a CVC 6.0 noise canceling microphone. Ooh yeah, it comes in a cool case. So we have about a 5 foot long 3.5 to 3.5 cable. So you can go wired or wireless. We've got some instructions and we have about a 4.5 foot long USB to micro USB cable. Now they're very light. Yeah, they're very light. It's got the all black. Now of course, because this is a high glossy black, of course fingerprints are definitely gonna show up on this, but man, that is a clean look. Look at that. Oh, the cushion is very soft, but it's kind of got a little firmness to it at the same time. The headband has the same cushion. It's not super thick or anything. It's actually kind of thin. Got the brushed aluminum band adjustment. Now, as you can tell, these are foldable, so you can fold them up, throw them in a bag. On the left ear cup, you've got your micro USB port, your plus and minus. That's gonna be used for previous and next track and up and down volume. And then you have your Bluetooth button, which I think is also your multifunction button. And then on the right one, you have your ANC switch, and your 3.5mm jack. Oh yeah, oh that's nice. That little bit of firmness in the ear cups are actually pretty nice, very comfortable. And they look slick. Yeah, I'm digging the style. It creates a nice seal. It definitely has that noise isolation ear cups for sure. It's not bad at all. All right, let's turn these on. I think it's dead. Oh, the ANC was left on, that's why. Well, maybe I could try it with it plugged in. I hear a little ambient noise, like just background noise. Let me see if it does anything. Oh, whoa, wow. Yeah, ANC kicks in immediately. That's pretty good. All you hear is the electrical static sound from the ANC, but everything else, all ambient noise seems to be cut out completely. It's pretty good. I know I'm plugged in, it looks a little silly, but the battery's dead and I don't wanna wait 2 hours, so let's see if I can power it on. Yeah. All right, well, I'm gonna have to let them charge. So, okay, movie magic. All right, so it's been about an hour. I've let it charge up. You can see that the light turned from red to blue, so we should be good. Power on. Powering, MPOW H5. It has its own volume, so changing the volume on here is only for the headphones. It doesn't actually change the phone volume. All right, I got it all the way up. It's pretty good. Let's try it with the ANC on. Whoa. ANC on, yeah. All of it got louder. Like highs, mids, and lows, they all got louder when I flipped on the ANC. That's a little different. Let's try a little bass boosted. It says that it has superior deep bass. Let's find out. Okay. All right, ANC on. Listen to the difference. All right, let's check clarity. It's pretty good, I gotta say. I'm preferring the sound with the ANC on. Everything seems to get a lot louder, but not losing any clarity. That's pretty good. Let me try the back pocket test. Yep, no skipping. Also, I'm not seeing any latency at all. Okay, I'm gonna do a distance check. I'll be right back. All right. Okay, yeah, so they say you should get about 33 feet out of it. I got about exactly that, and then it just started cutting out a little bit, so that's pretty good. Not bad. All right, let's make a phone call. Brother! Wow, that's very bassy. Are you on headphones or anything? Actually, yeah, did you just disconnect the headset? No, you definitely sound a little clearer. Okay, say something else. Huh. Turning the active noise cancellation on, you sound more clear. It takes some of the bass away. And then with it off, it's almost like too much bass in your voice. Okay, cool. Well, I'll hit you back up in a few. Highs, mids, and lows. Now, this is a little tricky. It's a little odd. With highs and mids without the active noise cancellation on, I would probably give the highs and mids a 5. about what I would expect. With the ANC on, I give the highs and mids like a 6.5, maybe even a 7. It sounds really good. The clarity really comes through. The bass, they said it's superior deep bass. It is deep bass. I wouldn't say it's superior deep bass. For headphones that are about 55 bucks, you know, pretty good bass. It's not bad. I mean, I'm not expecting to hear like $300 sound come out of these. The bass without the ANC on, I would give it a good 6, maybe even a 6.5. With the ANC on though, the bass goes down a little bit, but again, the clarity is better. So it becomes way more equalized in a much more balanced fashion. So I wouldn't really take away the 6.5 or add any more to it with ANC on. It just, the bass level kind of drops a little bit, but I think at a better level to the highs and mids. Does it make sense? Anyway, they're not bad. They're actually pretty good. And I will say they are some of the most comfortable ones that I've put on. I'm actually really digging the semi-firmness of these super soft, cushiony ear cups. So the way we're gonna do this giveaway is, what I want you to do is go down below, just tell me what your favorite headphones or earbuds are and tell me why you like them so much, why we should check them out. Maybe I'll check them out. I'm gonna use a randomizer to pick the random comment, and I'm actually gonna pin it to the top of the comments list. And then I'll get in touch with you accordingly to make sure you get these. Anyway, guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below as usual. I leave it in your guys' hands. Leave a comment down below if you want to enter into the contest, but as for now, get out of here.